Alam mo ba, akala ng karamihan, sapat na ang SSS o GSIS pag nag-retire ka. Pero, reality check. Hindi yan enough. Reason 1, maliit ang pension. Alam mo bang average pension sa SSS ay nasa 4 to 6,000 pesos lang per month? Paano ka mabubuhay ng komportable sa ganyan? Kahit kape at bigas kulang na. Reason 2, inflation never sleeps. Habang tumataas ang bilihin, steady lang ang pension mo. Ibig sabihin, bawat taon, lumiliit ang value ng pera mo. Inflation is the silent thief of your savings. Reason 3, short contribution, small returns. Kung late ka nagsimula maghulog, maliit din ang makukuha mo. The rule is simple. Start early. Be consistent. Reason 4, no emergency protection. Pag nagkasakit ka o may biglang gastos, wala nang backup, kasi nakadepend lang sa pension. You need savings, insurance, and investments as your shield. Reason 5, no growth, no freedom. Ang SSS at GSIS, safety net lang, hindi investment. Kung gusto mong umangat, kailangan mong mag-invest sa sarili mo at sa assets na lumalago. Final thoughts. Your SSS and GSIS are good, but they're not enough. Plan ahead. Mag-ipon. Mag-invest. Start today para secure ang bukas mo. Follow for more financial tips.